Hey everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Today is National Joygerm Day. What is that? Well, National Joygerm Day is an annual reminder to spread kindness amongst everybody in the country and around the world. So go out there and spread positivity, give somebody some encouragement. You never know who might need to hear a positive word, say something that you appreciate about them. So for me, first and foremost, I would like to thank my wife for being a wonderful mother to our kids. I'd like to thank our employees for working hard and providing quality service for everybody out there. And all my friends that I haven't seen for a long time or I have seen recently know that you are greatly appreciated. And I'm just grateful for everybody that has crossed paths with me, has led us down the path that we are currently on. And so I'm always looking to improve and do better than I have before. So spread that positivity. Find somebody, whether it's a friend, a loved one, or even a random stranger, give them a compliment, say something nice to them. You never know what anybody's going through, and hearing that few words of encouragement might be what they just needed that day. So again, my name is Nolan with Black Diamond Services. Go spread those joy germs. Have a great day.